I am an attorney at Morgan Lewis. I first heard about Maricela's case from someone at the Joseph Project. They reached out to our firm and requested that someone be able to take on a matter to help someone who had been the victim of trafficking. There can be an issue sometimes when people have something like this on their record. And when this happens, they may try to go to apply for a job, for example. And when they go to apply for a job, someone runs a criminal background check. And when they run that, this can create some red flags for people. And people may decide that they're not going to hire someone, even though this was something that happened to this individual 30 years ago. It is something that haunted Maricela for years as she would keep trying to look for jobs. She kept being turned down. I was able to get with Maricela, work with her. We were able to go to court and start working on getting her record sealed so that she would be able to move forward. I will tell you that from the beginning of receiving the outreach from the Joseph Project, I immediately thought that this was a God thing. He had given me the skills to be able to be a lawyer, and with those skills, I needed to be able to help someone else. It does talk about in the Bible, to whom much is given, much is required. This is something that is valuable. It is something that is time well spent. And for those of you who think I don't have time, I would say you need to make the time, because it's so important to help these men and women who have been the victim of some situation like this and circumstance to be able to move on with their lives. All of us have had great privilege and opportunity that we're able to be a lawyer. And so to be able to help those who may not have those opportunities, I think that's one of the most important things you can do as a lawyer. The Joseph Project really does serve an important purpose for so many people out there. It's not just saying, I'm going to help you for a day. I'm going to help you find shelter for one night, or I'm going to help you find one place for a month. It is allowing people to move on with their lives, to be able to get jobs, to be able to seek new opportunities they never could before. So I would encourage you to get involved with the Joseph Project, however you're able to do that, whatever your time, talent, resources will allow. Look into helping the Joseph Project, because it is helping so many people who are victims move on with their lives.